Members of the Royal Court, most especially to our guest of Queen 2014, Riga Paula I, our guest of Queen 2013, Dave Darien Duvale, the proud parents of the members of the Royal Court, members of the Comitiva de Destemos, our special guest tonight, Congresswoman Lani Mercado Revilla of the 2nd District of Cavite, and also to the members of the PPP all-in housemates, Joshua Garcia and Loisa Andalio, visitors coming from different places who wanted to witness the coronation night of our guest of Queen 2014, Riga Paula I. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, mayayagin na kami kanino tanan. This is the 20th day of our
Good evening. Maayo magkakaroon sa inyong mga. It is with great pride and joy as we gather and take part in this celebration. Ang fiesta ni San Nicolas de Tolentino here in Cabanatuan, Iloilo. Tonight, siguro magabi, nakita natin, we witness ang talento sa mga Cabanatuan. This reminds us, and we are reassured, that all this labor comes from the sons and daughters of this great town, Cabanatuan, Iloilo. The beauty of our people, the remarkable talents, world class, the faith of the many generations that endures in the test of time. The Inuman na parli sa kalibutan, may ipabugal ang mga taga-Cabanatuan. We are proud to be Cabanatuan. In behalf of our family, Caspe, Apistag, Kayon, sa akong pinalangga ang utol, we are proud of you for the flower that blooms in adversity is the rarest but the most beautiful of them all. To our distinguished guests, mga pinalangga ang mga bisita, friends, ng mga kasamahan ko, in behalf of the Cabanatuan Guest of Queen 2014, Riga Paula Caspe, Apistag Kayon. Aming fiesta sa akong katanan, madamo, 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 na salamat. Let us continue and offer and celebrate tonight in honor of our Lord and faithful Day. Thank you.
Kung ang iyong kanisong wala nila mabangki, gusto ko ipanangkong sobrang pagkaindiran kanti. Ang iyong mapag-isti, pwede ang matulog-tangkan, ilang bigyan na sa buong kanti, bisan silid na mangkos, iyong malapawan. Ang iyong mangkat, hindi lang ang material na bagay, bisan sinidyak iyang tihada sa Bolivia, wala nang aakot sina ng mga bugay. Ang pagkapinasahi sa imo mga matagag tilay, handog mo inaningitinusin, handog siya magpapuwag. Ang imo mga ilong supra kaangay sa imo itsura, kabihan si Dr. Pepe Bello, wala na si masaway. Ang mga manipis na kabibig, handog mo hindi ko kumangkin na maangkon, o galing na handog lang sa siya, good friend, basis siya sa Jawon. Matanos mga tutlo, hangkod ni Derek Ramsey Apuson, bisan pa ilang mga hasbay ko sa niya kamatayon, mahumok mga buhok, gusto ko man limason, kay mas mahamot pa ni sa buhok ni Casey Concepcion. Tapos ko na ininga pagdayaw sa iyong mga ina, Rita Paula na nahauna, ano man ang matako, ikaw ihapon ang akong reyna. Sa tanan nga mong luyo, sa banwa sa kabatuan, malamig na gabi sa inyong tanan.
Baby Collins, of course, the escort of Miss Kabatuan 2014, Mr. Leo Albert Sana.
Thank you very much, Mr. Leo Albert Sada. Kabatuan is really a place of beautiful ladies, as you can see. The members of the royal court exude beauty in its best form. And tonight, another beautiful Kabatuananon from out of the country is here with us to witness tonight's coronation. At this juncture, we welcome the 2014 Mutianang Pilipinas Overseas Community as she graces tonight's affair and sends her well wishes to the royal court and all the Kabatuananon.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome 2014 Mutianang Pilipinas Overseas Community, Miss Patricia Carino Boswell. Miss, for the information of everyone, Miss Patricia
my great-grandparents, Juan Garrido and Concordia Tabiana, and my grandfather, Lolo Ernesto, who survived from the World War II, with his two brothers, Lolo Manuel and Lolo Cesar. Tonight, I thank you all, ang tanan-tananggi nga mga taga-Cabaguanon, to give honor to my roots, mga Garrido. Ako ninitan na nga bugal ang istorya ng Cabaguan that no one should never forget. Thank you so much again for inviting me here in our beautiful town of Cabaguan. And of course, allow me to say thank you to my fashion designer, Gigi Candelario, and my makeup and hairstylist, Jason Gayoso. Kahit po hindi sa itaas, I wouldn't be that beautiful tonight. Thank you again to each one of you, and happy fiesta sa inyong tanan.
So at this moment, ladies and gentlemen, we'll give a certificate of recognition to Miss Patricia Garrido Bosco. Before we read the certificate of recognition, may we request the beloved mayor of the municipality of Cabanatuan, the municipal vice mayor, Honorable Eduardo S. Suarez, and all the members of the Sangguniang Bayan, Her Majesty Rica Paola I. Thank you very much.
Ngapoy man.